What's up, traders? Welcome to another C-Space trading video. As always, subscribers welcome. I appreciate the following, and happy Friday, guys. We have made it through another week. So let's go ahead and break down Tesla. As we all know, Tesla had a really shitty day as it was sitting along this line of support and then gapped down pretty strong today on the news of the chief accounting officer resigning after just a few weeks on the job, and plus Elon is getting high on a podcast. So not a good look for Tesla. So where's it going technically, and what can we be looking for a possible get in or for a possible swing? So let's just take a look at it. So as you see all these lines here, I've been paying attention to Tesla for quite some time. We had this area here that was sitting at around 277, area here around 300, because this thing for several months has been a swing trader's dream, getting around 300 and going up to 350 a little bit more. It's been doing it for several months, but now we have a gap down here on very high volume, huge volume on this gap down. Next level of support is definitely down here around that 240 to 250 range. As you see, we kind of hit it here back in April, and then last year around March and April or so in 2017, that's where it kind of hit again. So that's just your strong level of support here around between 240 and 250. Is it going to go there? No one knows, but there's a good possibility that I think it probably will continue to head down, see that 250 to 245 range before it gets a nice little bounce. Even looking at the weekly, this is the one thing that, if you look at the weekly, what's it look like? You see this 200 weekly moving average here. It's touched here, as we've seen earlier. Let's see, 2016. So let's see, February 2016. And it came down here again and touched, or not really touched, but kind of just got in the area, bounced up around February or November 2016. Did it again back in April, and now here we are again on it again. So this could be the saving grace on the weekly charts now. So this area, I think it may come down and touch this and then get back up around this 200 moving average here. So keep close eye on this for the weekly. It depends on how you want to trade it for long term. This weekly chart is what you want to look at. For shorter term, let's look at the daily. Had a strong gap down on huge volume. You see this area of support here. And then when it does come back up, you're going to have resistance here. Once it covers this gap, there will be probably a pullback. So be aware of that if you want to make a quick swing trade. Just looking at the hourly, even more shorter term. Just trying to see where this volume came in. So the volume came in first thing on that gap down, but you do have this doji candle here on this strong gap down, which is a good indicator. Let's drill in a little bit more. 15. So yeah, you had all this selling volume here, and then it moved up with half the volume. That's not a good sign. I know it's moving up, but look at how the volume is compared to this selling here. Let's just dig in. This is very short term. However, you just want to know when it happened. So all this volume came in the first 5 minutes of the morning, all selling, some more selling. And then you get this move up here where the volume is starting to decrease as it continues to rise. That is not a good look. It kind of looks like it was just going to come here and then come back down. Volume did kind of pick up a little bit at the end of the day, but that's nothing compared to this type of volume here. So that's very short term. But going back at the hourly, this thing just kind of sitting here at the 260 range. I would imagine we're gonna just from all this volume selling off again, it could possibly kind of come back up here and get close and kind of do a pump fake basically, and then plummet back down to 240, 250. So that is my take on Tesla. If you have any comments, go ahead and comment or ask below. If you want to follow along, I do a lot of technical analysis videos. I try to do 2, 3, 4 a day. Over the weekend, I even do more. I like to break down just a wide variety of different stocks. As you see, if you check out my videos, I've got a ton out there. And I'm going to continue to put it out there. It's just my viewing. It's technical analysis, not 100%, but it is another tool investors can use to try not to buy up here. You want to be buying down here. So that's just my 2 cents, guys. If you like the video, click like, and I will check with you guys later. Have a good weekend.